If you own a Cadillac CTS from 2016 to 2019, you know that the interior is where the magic happens, but it's also where the wear shows up first. We're looking at a replacement that promises to bring that factory-fresh feel right back to your center console. This is the automatic shift knob and boot combo from Dust Glow, specifically designed for the CTS lineup. Let's be honest, after a few years, that leather shift boot starts looking tired, maybe a little cracked, and the knob itself loses that satisfying grip. This replacement kit addresses that exact problem head-on. The material here is genuine leather, all black, matching the original aesthetic perfectly. It's not some cheap vinyl substitute. It's designed to meet those high industry standards for quality control, which is exactly what you want when you're dealing with a luxury vehicle like a Cadillac. The fitment is incredibly precise. We're talking about a direct replacement for those specific OEM part numbers, 23,107,739 and 23,460,364. This means it's engineered to fit the CTS base, luxury, V, and V-Sport models, ensuring installation should be straightforward, snapping right into the center floor location without any modification headaches. When you install a part like this, the feel is everything. The knob needs to have the right weight and contour, and the boot needs to drape correctly without bunching up or feeling stiff. Dust Glow seems to have nailed the OEM dimensions here. It feels solid in the hand, providing that tactile feedback you expect when shifting into drive or park. It's a small detail, but refreshing the shift area instantly elevates the entire cabin experience. If your CTS is showing its age right where your hand rests every day, this Dust Glow shift knob and boot is a fantastic, high-quality solution to restore that premium look and feel. It's a necessary upgrade for maintaining the luxury standard of your Cadillac.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.